Hey YouTubers, Gentru here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. So today's video is a quick one, and I just wanted to show you one of the best ways to get a quick and fast Tinder bundle. If it had been raining out for days and days and days, and you know, pretty much like everything in the woods is soaked, and you just need a really solid like Tinder bundle for your ferro rod spark, or just to get a fire going. I mean, basically, just because you got a lighter doesn't mean you're going to get a fire going. It can be just as hard with a lighter as it is a ferro rod sometimes if it's damp conditions. So the best thing, one of the best things is this, they call them deadheads, or this just a wildflower skeleton basically. It's pretty much dead. You can just break it right off, and that's how you know it's dead, and it'll be good. If you look here, there's a whole bunch. You can just grab yourself a nice bouquet of deadheads, and you have yourself a really awesome fire bundle. It'll take a spark, and you'll have yourself a fire in no time. So try it. Go outside, grab a bunch of deadheads, get yourself a bouquet, take your ferro rod, and get yourself a fire going. All right, check it out. I'm gonna get a camp going, and I will use this in another video to get that fire going. But I just wanted to do this quick short to show you how you can get yourself a really great fire bundle, bird's nest, really quickly, and try it. Let me know what you experienced. Drop it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it helped you out in some way. If you haven't subscribed yet, please think about it. And if you do so, hit that notification bell so you get all my new stuff. All right, well, thanks so much for hanging out with me. Have a great day and get outside. Thanks, guys. Bye now.